How you guys miss the Hungarian versions? If she makes this bad comment, she must be in a really bad situation. Because if you love those who love you back, you are not better than us. Hi everyone, nice to meet you again. I'm Virginia, and in this video I would like to bake semla with you guys, which is a Swedish cardamom bun filled with almond cream and whipped cream, and it is really good. I've tried this when I was working in a bakery, in a Scandinavian bakery, and it quickly became one of my favorite desserts. So this is going to be the first time when we are going to try to bake it. I saw a lot of videos and recipes, and I think I found the best one, hopefully the best one, and it's not that complicated. I thought we can chat while I'm baking and we can catch up with each other, so let's start it. So we have to start with the dough, and before that we should make the tangzong, which is new for me, but it says that we have to combine 5 tablespoons of water, 5 tablespoons of milk and 3 tablespoons of flour, and we have to combine it while we are heating it. It's going to make the dough more fluffy and soft, so that's why we have to do this. It's Japanese methods or something. I don't know. I'm not an expert, as you guys may hear it. So let's start with that, and after that we have to make the dough, which is based on flour, 1 egg, yeast, a bit of sugar and milk. After that we have to let the dough rise for an hour and then we are going to make the almond cream, the whipped cream, and then we can build the semlas up. I have to show you a picture because it's so beautiful. So our dough has beautifully risen. It took around 2 hours, and now we have to make 12 buns from this. So let's do this. Maybe you guys know that I created a new TikTok account because I would like to make videos over there in English, and I still have a Hungarian account. Lately I've been thinking about should I continue this thing that I've started 2 years ago. I got a lot of messages, especially when I started making English videos on YouTube about how you guys miss the Hungarian versions. I can deeply understand you, and I know that probably you miss deeper conversations, because sometimes I feel I have limitations because of the languages. Sometimes it's hard to speak English, especially when I'm tired or when I am not in a good mood. But if you would like to help me and encourage me, you can just let the old Luigi go and accept changes, because almost 8 million people know the Hungarian language. Well, let's say 10 million people, and I can easily reach the end if I just make English Hungarian videos, and I don't want that. Sometimes I feel like I've already reached the maximum here in this country, and to be honest, I don't really know if I would like to move abroad, or I don't know if I'm gonna stay here in this country. I hope I don't have to explain it very much. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about this a bit. And on the other day, I uploaded a post and I had a mistake. In the caption, I wrote it in English and I got a comment. We can understand what you are trying to say. There's a mistake over there and here, and it's so stupid. And to be honest, I was like, my first reaction and my first thought was, oh my god, really? And I was a bit angry because I just felt like this is Hungary. I just said to Milan that I had a bad mood because I had a comment, and usually don't really care if they write something or do a comment. I can easily just move on. But on that day I was a bit weaker, or I don't know, I already had a bad mood, whatever. In the afternoon I just had to pray about this because I was so upset. I just prayed that, please Lord, bless that girl or boy, because I know if she writes something like that, she must be upset, she must be angry and unhappy and so on. And I feel really sorry about her. And because, to be honest, if I write something in a comment section, I would write something in the comment section that would be something happy, or that would be encouragement or something like that, or I don't comment anything else. Perhaps it's just me, I don't know. If I see something bad or something silly or something unacceptable, I just don't feel the desire to do a comment, you know, a bad comment. I don't feel the desire to hurt someone or to cause a bad day for someone. Never mind. And I just thought that if she makes this kind of bad comment, she must be in a really bad situation. And it just helped me to understand things and to see situations and people like God sees them. It's been hard, of course, but this is my goal, to really see everyone in a way God sees them. And of course, it is impossible in my own strength. But if we ask God, He can help us, and He wants to help us. Because if you love those who love you back, it just you are not better than anyone else. It is more challenging to love those who don't love back. This is what I would like to do, and I have to remind myself every day what is my goal and mission and what is the most important thing really in life. So I just wanted to tell you that if you feel the same, you are not alone. Because I guess everybody has enemies, and it really helps you to be happy and to live your life happier than others maybe. So yeah, especially in Hungary, because there are a lot of unhappy people here sadly, especially before the elections. The election is going to be in April, so really I can feel this strange, toxic, unhappy mood here in Budapest, but we don't have to be in this mood as well. And to be honest, I would like to speak about deeper things in the future, but I have to take courage. And not because of the topics, but because of the limitations I feel, especially in language. Never mind, I made the buns. Look at them. They are so pretty, and we have to rest them for half an hour, and then they are ready to bake. So here is the almond cream, the whipped cream, and our buns. Beautiful. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, so let's finish it with the best part. Let's create these semlas. I feel like I made the biggest mistake because I forgot to film myself eating it. So I would like to show you how fluffy it is. Doing the Japanese part at the beginning of this recipe is really worth it. It's so easy to fill with almond and with whipped cream. So I'm gonna make all of it, and then I'm going to drive home to Budakeszi, to my parents' house, and I'm going to film their reactions because it's gonna worth it. Ott a tányér. Amúgy.
Nekem is hiányol.
Ez ilyen mandulával amúgy. Mandula meg tejszínhal.
Mi valószínűleg mit termelünk ezt?
A közepét megmutatod sem, hogy... Erre emlékszel amúgy? Kemény volt alul, vagy nem tudom.
Jó a tisztája.
Ez ilyen, ott ilyen sűrű, ilyen szárazat volt. 1! 2!
A második volt és egybe számolja. Még az 5 után.
3!
Elhetek egyet?
4, persze!
Utolsó!
5! De Huli, egyél egyet nyugodtan.
Megeszik egy egészen. Jó volt.
Ténykedett a kis énó.
Nagyon fúrjuk.
De.
Nem kapok levegőt. Kardióznunk kell.
Elég, ha nem féred, akkor kérem. Ja, Benni.
It was so yummy. Everyone liked it. I can highly recommend to try to bake it. It wasn't that hard, so you should make it as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.